This short tutorial will cover how to navigate our special design tool. Start by customizing your order. Scroll down and click the Choose Pre-designed Letterheads and Letters button. If you have your own letter artwork, proceed to upload. You will land on this page. You can browse by category or color scheme. You can also customize a blank letterhead if you want to build your entire letter on our system from scratch. We suggest starting with an already designed template to make this a more streamlined experience. Click on Template to preview. Hit Customize when you have decided on a selection. If you select a template and wish to change, hit the Back button. You will notice that your profile information is automatically entered. You may need to fine-tune logo positioning or image size on some templates. To adjust design elements or text, simply click on them. Depending on the element selected, text or image, your edit options appear here. You can select multiple design elements by clicking and dragging an area. You can resize images by clicking and dragging corners. You will notice the whole area selected will have anchors you can shrink or enlarge. Some design elements are grouped together. You can click Ungroup to edit each segment, or you can double-click in each individual box to edit. To insert our useful pre-written letter text, click on Letters. You can search by category, or you can scroll down to view all pre-written letter text. When ready, click on Select. The text will be dropped into your letter. To add to text, double-click inside text box and hit Return. Hit Save intermittently to save your progress. If you lose this page without saving, your hard work could be lost. If you do lose your page, but had been saving as you progressed, you can find the letter again under My Account, My Saved Designs. Tools, when text is selected. Tools, when an image or design element selected. These tools are always accessible when any object is selected. Click here to rotate an object. Click here to change opacity. Click here to align objects. Click here to send layers front or back. Click here to adjust positioning. Word art is a new and powerful design feature on our online design tool module. No need for a graphic designer, just drag, drop, and edit. If you want to add another image or file, click or drag here. Clip art can be added by clicking or dragging a design. The background option can be used to overlay an existing letterhead design or change the background color of your current design. Please note, backgrounds should not be solid colors. We also offer a QR code feature, free of charge. Once you create it, it will always live in your account for future use. You can insert the QR code into your letter by clicking or dragging as with previous design elements. The QR code feature allows you to create a virtual link to a phone number, email, text message, paragraph, web address, geographic location, Wi-Fi address, contact information, or calendar event simply by using your camera app on your phone. Please visit our YouTube page for more informational tutorials.